Hey everyone, welcome back. Not getting Block Blast notifications for our refill live, daily changes, or event reminders? Here's exactly where to turn them back on. First, go to your phone settings and then go back and scroll down to the list of apps to find Block Blast or just directly search for it. Once you find it, tap on it and then tap notifications and make sure that notifications is turned on. If it's gray, tap on it to turn it green. Check the alerts tab below and make sure that it is set to banners or alerts, not none, since none means nothing will appear on your screen even though notifications are technically allowed. Turn on sound and badges as well. Now scroll back to the top of your settings and then search for focus. Go through every focus mode you use and then go to sleep, do not disturb, and make sure Block Blast is in silence in the list silence app list under each one. Since lives refill on a timer and events run on a schedule, having these notifications working mean you know exactly when you can play again. So all you've got to do is go to settings, Block Blast, allow notifications on, set sal to banners, and that's it. Subscribe for more Block Blast fixes.